documents you should ask for when you want to buy real estate? In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know. Now, when you're buying real estate, it's important to ask for the documents showing that the person who wants to sell to you is actually the owner. So we could call that the documents of ownership. And documents that show ownership are a wide range of documents. For instance, I can tell you I want to sell a property that belongs to me and that became mine because I bought it. I could have inherited it, it could have been gifted to me. Alright, so it's a wide range of documents. You can have a deed of assignment. Someone could tell you and say, we actually have a deed of gift, and someone gifted us the property. Someone could have inherited it, and then maybe they have a will or a letter of administration. Whatever document they have, you have to ensure that you get an experienced property lawyer who would look critically at the document, interpret it for you, and also verify the document. It's very important. So before you go ahead, even after asking for the document, you want to engage someone who is trained in that field to interpret legal documents and let you know if it is safe to go ahead or if you should pause and ask for some other information. Alright, so I need you to watch this next video, which will help you further in your real estate journey. Have a fantastic day. See you in the next video.